Kufic Muraba 10 brush set. As you can see, I've already opened a new layer on Procreate ready to demonstrate the digital brushes from this Kufic Muraba brush pack. In this pack, you get 9 Kufic brushes and a square grid brush. Let's prepare the canvas. Click on Action, turn on the toggle for drawing guide. Let's change the grid color to black. Let's leave the assisted drawing for now and see what happens. Click OK. Change the brush color to black. In the brush library, select the first brush. As you can see, the brush doesn't snap to the grid. You could use the one finger gesture and create a straight line. To create an artwork with this method would take you forever. So what's the best practice? Let's go back to the drawing guide and turn on assisted drawing. Now you can create strokes that snap to the grid. Super quick and efficient. Let's take a closer look at these brushes and see how they write. The texture brush, the 8 stripes brush, the 5 stripe variant brush, the 3 stripe variant brush, the shadow brush, the 3D1 brush, and finally the 3D2 brush. Here's a piece I did earlier to show you how each brush looks zoomed in with the name sample Muhammad. Please like this video if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Check out the other videos I have on this channel. I'm sure they'll bring you some value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.